Another feature that will be very useful for Ambassador is inside your server settings, inside translations. Now we have this button, download language pack. So ABJ prepared a few languages that have been translated by AI, so it's maybe not perfect, but I think it go pretty far into it. So for example, if I want to put in Japanese, I can say, okay, I want to download this pack, and then Japanese become available here. If you click here, you will see that the whole backend of your server become in Japanese. So this, I think this is pretty neat. I will put it back in English. And what I advise you, if you want to change those translation, is rather than going directly into this Japanese and directly like changing the strings here, what you should rather do is do clone, and you put a name, for example, Japanese custom, and you modify that. So here, if I go, now there's Japanese custom, you use this for your website, okay? And the reason it's better to use your custom dictionary than not, it's because when you update BTCP server, those translations are not automatically updated. So if you want to update it, you really need to go to download language pack and select Japanese. And when you click on download, it will replace this one. But because your custom one is a fallback to the Japanese one, at least you won't lose any of your changes. And for new sentence that has been added in a new release, they will be handled by the Japanese from the language pack. So those language pack are downloaded from a repository. You can see it here on GitHub. I hope that you will help us translating that a little bit better. I can see we have a small pull request, and over time, like those translation, I think will become better and better.